everyone, my name is Laura Milligan and I'd rather be stampin'. I'm so excited today to tell you about a new collection that is released today, March 1st, 2022 by Stampin' Up. It features a bundle, a beautiful bundle that will be appearing in our next annual catalog, and also a collection of other products that are available only during the early release time frame. And I'm so excited to share them with you. I think they are going to be super popular and you are definitely going to want to get your hands on them. I have designed a card class to go with these products, and so I want to tell you about that. And I also have an early bird special for registration, so don't miss out on that. And so let me switch my camera view down so that you can see what's included in this beautiful new collection and my class. Okay, so this is the Waves of the Ocean card class to go. There are several options available, including an early bird special. The class includes 6 card kits, 6 different card designs, and with the class, we always include a PDF with a photo of each of the 6 cards and all the measurements, all the supplies used, as well as a video walking you through how to assemble step by step each of the cards. So it's almost like you're here in my stamp room with me, stamping right along with me as I complete these cards. So let me show you the products in this brand new collection. This is the bundle, and you do need this bundle, of course, to complete the class projects. The Waves of Inspiration stamp set. It is a red rubber stamp set, cling mount, and it includes 7 different images, some wonderful words, and a really cute pelican, and then, of course, the gorgeous wave. The dies coordinate. There are several different label shapes, and the waves, some clouds, some little seagulls, beautiful, beautiful. So that is a bundle, and in my class I have priced this so that when you purchase the I Want It All, of course it includes the bundle discounted 10%, which is what Stampin' Up! Always offers on our bundles. Also included is this gorgeous designer series paper, and it just reminds me of the beach and the waves and all the gorgeous colors at the beach. That is a 12 by 12 pack of paper. Also included is this beautiful Blue Foils specialty paper, and it comes in silver, Bermuda Bay, and Night of Navy, 3 different colors. And then the Rhinestone Waves Basic Jewels. These are gorgeous. I want to hold them up to my camera so that you can see. Look at those colors and how shimmery and beautiful they are. Now my class has several options. One is the I Want It All option, and there are 2 ways to purchase that. One is just through my registration link on my email that you should have received by now. If not, please get in touch with me and I will be sure to send that to you. You will get everything included with the I Want It All option, everything in the collection, plus of course the class to go. And if you do the I Want It All option, your class to go, your card kits are completely free. That's just a thank you for purchasing this whole collection. That is for if you're local to me. If you are not local to me, what you want to do is go to my online store, and I will have a link in my email for how to access that. And you are going to want to use this host code when prompted, and that will let me know when I see this code coming through that you would like to participate in this class to go, and I will send you the card kits for the class absolutely free. So that is for those of you that are not local to me. This whole suite will ship directly to you. The other option is maybe you're a demonstrator and you already have this bundle. So I do have an option too that includes just not the bundle, but the paper, both of the papers and the gems, and of course the 6 card kits. And then the other option that I have is a PDF only option, and that will be sent out to you the day I ship this class. So I have a little bit of a quick turnaround for this class. Registration ends March 11th, but I've added an early bird special. If you do the I Want It All option either through the registration link or by ordering in my online store and using this host code, and you do that by this Friday, March 4th, I will include as a thank you with when I mail your card kits an extra packet of the Rhinestone Waves Basic Jewels. So you will have two of those. One that you get with the I Want It All option, and the one is a thank you from me for purchasing the I Want It All option. So let me just give you a quick peek at the cards included, and you can see the foils and just the beautiful colors. There's some of the Bermuda Bay foil, and then of course we've made great use of the designer paper. Love that one. Here's just a couple quick peeks at some of the cards in the class. So, pick this up here. For the class, you will need to provide some of your own supplies, clear blocks, inks. You will need a die cutting machine. The inks that we used are Bermuda Bay, Pacific Point, Night of Navy, and then your Tuxedo Black Memento. I have an add-on option in the registration link for these inks and also blending brushes, an adhesive packet, and a few other things that you may need to complete your class projects. I am so excited about this class. These projects are just gorgeous and they are different than anything we've ever had before. And so my hope is that you will register for this class. If you're an early bird, like I said, they say the early bird gets the worm. Well, in this case, the early bird gets an extra packet of these gorgeous Rhinestone Waves Basic Jewels. To qualify for those, you need to register again by this Friday, March 4th. Thank you so much. If you have questions, please feel free to email me or get in touch with me, and I look forward to sharing this gorgeous suite of products with you. Thank you so much. And as always, I hope you have time to be creative today.